Hi, it's Matt from the Intergalactic Herald, just doing my Star Atlas weekly news recap number 70. You can find links to everything mentioned here at intergalacticherald.com. Look for News Recap 70. Raw Mega posted a video recapping the past week of Star Atlas news. Raw Mega published an article recapping the past week of Star Atlas news. Beyond the Horizon posted a video using the Fimbo BIOS backlight in the Star Atlas showroom. Metaverse Explorer posted a video of Star Atlas updates. Beyond the Horizon posted a video trying out some ships in the Star Atlas showroom. Metaverse Nomads posted a video of their latest Star Atlas live stream. Enigma 42 posted a video of some of the 3D Star Atlas ship models that he's selling. The Hologram published an article about 4 things to expect from Star Atlas this week. OCG Thor posted a video reading the episode 1 of the Star Atlas Core comic. The Hologram News Network posted a video about 4 things to expect from Star Atlas. Star Atlas published an article about the new mission in the Never Alone campaign. Pathfinder posted a video about Mission 2 in the Never Alone campaign. The Hologram published an article of some of the lore from the Mission 2 of the Star Atlas Never Alone campaign. Atlas Theory posted a video about the Never Alone Mission 2. The Hologram News Network posted a video about loot in Mission 2. OCG Thor posted a video reading the episode 2 of the Star Atlas Core comic. Star Atlas TV posted a video replay of the Atlas Brew number 72. The Hologram posted a video of the PlayGG Star Atlas presentation. Star Atlas published an article announcing a partnership with Metagravity for a large number of concurrent players in Star Atlas. The Hologram News Network posted a video from the PlayGG show. Atlas Theory posted a video of highlights from the PlayGG show. If you'd like to find links to any of the videos or articles published, please go to intergalacticherald.com and look for News Recap number 70. Thank you.